Hello. Let's wait a bit. Because I'm not talking, we're just waiting. Oh, it will get fixed automatically. So after every lecture, I update all the due dates for the quizzes. So for example, I'm covering 3.4. It should be due coming up. 3.4. 3.4. Hello, hey y'all. Was it this class I asked that what kind of food should I eat next time during the lecture? Or should I give you pop quiz? What was the question? I forgot. Hmm. Maybe it was a different class. Like option of give you a pop quiz or you guys hear me eating food. Three. Tacos. Eat food. Tacos. Soft or crunchy tacos. Should I get one of those annoying food that makes like really crappy sound? The quiz has been super easy, guys. So quizzes, pop quizzes, that is. That is. Um, Pickles. Wow. Tacos de tripa. Oh, tripas. They're my favorite. Tripa tacos are the favorite. But it's hard to get good tripas in town. All right. This section, let's do this section. This section is is literally looking at graphs and answering it. And what I'm gonna do is, all right, let's see. I'm gonna show you. This is too easy. Hold on. I'm gonna give you the website, the graph website. Go right here. Darn, the website isn't working. Okay, all right, I found the website. We'll do that. Let's wait. Let's go directly to the website. Let me send you this website. All right, let's go to this website and we'll talk about it. All right, children. All right, so what the? No, turn off your ad blocker. I gotta turn off the ad blocker. All right, fine. All right. These ads are so annoying. All right, let's look at this page. I want everyone go to that. If you don't have good protected computer, don't have to click on it. But if you want to click on it, you could do that. What the heck? Oh my god. All right, so let's look at it. I'll wait for you guys to go to the website. If you have issue opening the website, let me know. Okay. So, what do you guys see right over here? 2012 presidential run. You have 70% back Palin, 60% back Romney, and 63% back Huckabee. What is wrong with this picture? See if you guys could figure that. Don't read it out. Don't read the bottom. Can I zoom into this? Yes, let's do that. Boom. Y'all see that? What's the issue over here? Exactly. They don't add up to 100%. So whenever we're using pi and we're talking about percentage, they need to add 100%. It's clearly over 100%. So for pi graph, the whole thing inside needs to have 360 degree. And all of them inside has to have 100%. Simple as that. That's what we look for. So if I'm looking at, let's say, if I'm using 360 degree and this is 1/4 of it, 1/4 of the pie chart, pie graph, what's the measurement of the degree inside that? I just gave you guys the answer too, Lord. What's the degree you're gonna get? Degree inside that. $90. Good job, Sebastian. 25? No, 25%. So another way of looking at it is what's 25% of 360 degree? So another way, 0.25 times 360, that gives you 90 degree. Why are you winking? Is that winky? Yeah. All right. Let me make the problem more interesting. There's a vote. Let's say 300, 700 people voted. So out of that, let me pick some random name. Let's use Jessica. Jessica gets 120. Sebastian gets 500. And then let's pick Brian. Brian, 80. Let's create a pie graph. All right, first thing first, I need to draw a circle. Ooh, this circle is going to be so awesome. All right, good. Now, in order to finish the pie graph, what's missing? We got to figure out the percentage. So let's figure out the Jessica got what percentage. I should have picked some smaller name like Tom. Sebastian, we got to figure out what percentage, and Brian got what percentage. Can you guys figure out who gets what percentage based on the number of votes given the total number? I'll give you guys a minute or so. A little bit more time. You guys couldn't finish the percentage yet? For Jessica, we do 120 divided by 700. For Sebastian, we do 500 divided by 700. And for Brian, we do 80 divided by 700. We get now, let's round it to the whole number, 17%. $71%. 11. Let's make that 12%. Yep, that should be 100%. All right, so how do we create the pie chart? So in terms of degree, how much does it cover? So 17% of 360. (61 degree). I'm just using a whole number. (256 degree). (43 degree). So in order to graph it, we just go roughly. So if this is 90 degree, if this is 90 degrees, 60 degrees is going to be roughly over here. This is Jessica. 40 degree roughly. That's 60. That's 40 degrees is going to be a little bit less than over here. Roughly. I don't have to be exact. That's Brian. And then the last part is going to be what? I don't need to count it. It's going to be Sebastian. Can you guys hear me? You guys are kind of quiet. All right. What do you think was the problem with this one? All right, let's answer. How did I get the degrees? What is 17% of 360? Which is 0.17 times 360, which is 61. Did that answer your question? Shaquille O'Neal, you think 2K? All right, children, don't get overexcited. All right. So here's the issue right over here. It says that the tax rate is 35%. And then on 2013, white noise? No, I mean, did you just come in a little bit late? We had a vote on eating food, and I'm munching on food. Okay, just settle yourself, guys. All right. I don't know if you're in this class. Just not get off. Okay. So now let's go back to this. Um, if you're looking at it on this date to 2013, tax rate is going to increase like crazy. But in reality, the increase is about 4%. But they zoomed it into this section to make it look like so crazy. What it should have looked like. Let's go back. I don't know who you guys are. All right. So normally, like if I would have done the bar graph right over here, if I would have said 0, and then this goes, let's say, up to 34. And then if this is up to 34, 39 is going to be roughly somewhere over here. That's what it should have looked like. Okay, this is some random people coming in. I don't know who you guys are. I'm gonna delete you, remove you from here. Wow, that's what I was wondering. How did we get all these people coming in? Okay, give me a second. Hmm. Let me do this real quick. Who are these people? Yeah, I think let me find a way to get rid of them because I don't know who these people are. They might not be part of this class. Let me go to my streaming channel. Then so the user in a timeline report. I'll just do that. Marshall. Okay. Okay. Let me find a way to report them. All right, guys. I'm like blocking them out. They're getting reported right now. Their Gmail account and everything will be Google. I've reported to the Google, and they will be in big trouble after this. All right. What the heck is going on? Sorry, guys. This section isn't that hard. And you know what I'm thinking about? Just delete that chat option completely. Just do, and then if you have any questions, you could email me directly. And use your school email to email me. Okay, it looks good right now. All right, let's get back to that. All right, let's see if you guys could figure out what's wrong with this picture. You could just shoot me a text if we get this. People come in and do that. They will be getting reported, and if they're CSN students, they'll be done. They will be prevented from taking any classes in this anymore. All right. So what's the issue over here? Do you guys see that? You start at 9% over here. It goes down, and then 9% over there. And then 9.1 over here. 9.1, 9.0, 8.6. Do you see the issue over here? 8.6 is bigger than 8.9. And then 9.2, all that. Do you see the inconsistency? Give me a second. I want to make sure they're not from this class, because if they're from this class, uh, they're gonna get in trouble with CSN. Okay, sorry about that delay. Okay, this is what the actual graph should have looked like. Okay, guys, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna send an invite right now. There's some issue going on, and you will get the invite through announcement, and that's how you will come to my YouTube channel. Sorry about this. This is getting ridiculous right now. Let me, since we're live, let me fix it so we don't have this issue anymore. Okay. Um, Everyone, email me your email me your Google account email, and then I'm gonna send you the invitee. Okay. All right, let's fix this right now, and then we'll do by invitation only. Okay, I think we're back to right people right now. We had a bunch of these people. They don't know what to do. All right, sorry about that. We're at the last part. This section is all about reading the graph. If you could read it, that's great. If you can't read it, oh no. Don't email me on this chat. Email me directly to my work email, okay? All right, let's look at this one. Federal welfare receipt. If you look at it, based on this, it keeps on going up and up and up. So if you believe that people are getting welfare left and right and you show this graph, oh my God, this works. But in reality, look at the number. It's the difference between this. It should be like plateauing at some point. It should be lowering and all that. But it shows it keeps on going up and up. Again, this is also similar to the other one. It shows it keeps on going up and up, but these two numbers are very similar to each other. All right. Here's another one. Instead of, you know what, I've decided instead of doing email and all that, what I'll do is I'll just shut down the chat completely and then not have any chat, not deal with them anymore. Let me go and turn off the chat. Hi, chat. Okay, I'll do that next time. Not have any live chat at all. If you have any questions, what I'll do is I'll have my email open up and you will shoot me the questions. So we'll respond directly through that. We just got a hiccup. Okay. Alrighty then. Sorry about that. This section is all about reading that. If you look at this again, 7 million, 9 million, 13 point, all that. There is no y-axis to show the difference. What is happening over here? The graph should have looked like more like that, and this makes sense. It's going steady, but this is where the steep of job loss, and then it plateaued out. All right, this is it. Do you have any more question right now? Sorry about that. Today we just got overwhelmed by some people. I don't know why would they even want to come over here. This is nothing important. All right. Anyway, yep. And for the next class, we need to look at standard deviation, and for that we could use PEMDAS for a standard deviation. Calculator. We got to use standard deviation for calculator. We will look at average of what happens. So have your nice calculator ready, or we can use the calculator on the computer to do that. Okay. All right. I will end the class, and let me see if I can make it better next time so we don't get this people from outside